recording. Screen mirroring. Flat screen mirroring. Selected. Screen recording.
Hi there, everybody. This is being done on the iPhone.
Resource content. 11 there.
And we're going to be looking at the scanner on the Logos iOS app. So the way we're going to pull this up is we're going to go down to
More items button.
More Items.
More done button. Store. Help. Groups. Reference scan. Passage. Reference scanner.
And we're going to click Reference Scanner. Now, I don't have a document in front of me that we can test this on, but it does work. I've tested it in the past. I just don't use it much because I'm blind, and as you can hear, you can clearly hear
Passage guide. Reference scanner.
voiceover, the screen reading software. So I don't use it much, but it does work. So you just click on
Reference scanner.
Reference Scanner.
Alert. Logos Bible would like to access the camera.
And you see it's brought up a camera. And the idea is,
Use the camera to detect references in text.
see,
Don't allow button.
I'm just going to decline it.
Okay. Don't allow button. Logos Bible.
But what the idea is, it picks up the verses on your camera on the piece of paper, and then it brings the verses back to you, and you see them on your screen. And it actually works really well. The times I've tried it with voiceover, it does work. But there you go. That's how to get to the
Photo done button. Photo viewfinder. Focus scan button. Scan but view photo done button. Resource content. 11 there.
verse scanner on Logos Bible software.
Screen recording in progress. Control center. Airplane selected. Screen recording. Airplane on. Airplane mode. Switch button on. Off. Selected. Screen.